to the Chester Grosvenor. So we're going to do a hotel room and tour and a little review for you all while we're staying here. Ding dong, isn't it?
It's a very loud ding dong.
Welcome to our crib. So you may remember this because we have stayed here before. Our favourite hotel in Chester.
Yeah.
The Grosvenor.
Probably one of our favourite hotels in England.
Well, yeah.
Well,
yeah, it probably is actually.
Yeah.
And we're on a little bit of a different wing where we're not where we've stayed before. So I don't know if this is maybe one of the newer kind of
rooms
maybe.
We start here.
Yeah.
So we do a little room. Is this like a room tour / hotel?
Yeah. So yeah, we'll do it all in.
Yeah.
So we've got coat hangers. I think they're your dressing gowns.
Oh yeah, remember them last time. Definitely
Yeah.
wearing one of them
I think the guy,
tonight.
because the reception, the people who check you in come and walk you through everything as well. And they said that they got your slippers as well. Hair dryer, oops, if you need one, and a safe. And then we've got your little tea, coffee, mini bar.
So all this is like
complimentary.
And then up here there's...
Oh yeah, that gets charged. And you've got your little fridge here, little mini bar. So you've got your little milk, which is complimentary for your teas. And you've got lots of gin, gin, whiskey, orange juice, Coke,
beer.
old fashioned.
And the prices are actually on here, so we'll have a look. So a lager.
How much is the champers?
A lager's a $5.50. Has it got champagne in there? Tattinger. Champagne brought 45.
It's only small, it's not a big one. Medium one. But anyway, when you're on holiday, you want to try a bit of everything, don't you?
So yeah, there's your prices and everything. But like I said, that's up there and then in the mini bar.
Yeah.
But at least you know the prices.
Then you've got another wardrobe here with your ironing board, iron. Got a little umbrella that you can use as well. So you can use it as a
Bring
gift.
it out.
Oh, what does it say? Harry's Burger. If you'd like to purchase £22.50. I mean, we might use it if it rains, but we won't purchase one. Oops, wrecking the joint. Got a nice mirror there too.
Ironing board.
Yeah.
Big plus for me.
And then
Big mirrors there as well.
Should we do a bathroom?
Bathroom.
Got a nice big bathroom here. So the room that we were in before had a walk-in shower, and this has got a shower and a bath.
I am going to try and...
Oh god. So yeah, nice like waterfall shower. Gorgeous.
Yeah.
And then you've got, because obviously there's a spa here as well, so you've got all the products are all LMS. All your full size, so you've got your shampoo, bath and shower gel, and then you've got conditioner and hand and body lotion. and all your little flannels and your towels.
Oh.
Magnifying mirror.
Yeah.
A great place to do your makeup.
Big mirror for you, so you'll be.
A nice heated towel reel as well. And then it's a bit brighter than the other rooms that we've stayed in before. And this is your bedroom. So
I feel like it's more spacious, maybe.
King size bed, which is just lovely. I love the headboard and the colours, so pretty. Got your TV.
Anything in there? Is it just storage?
Storage, I think. Yeah, just all storage. You've got a little lamp
Little
here.
seats if you want to chill with magazines.
Little seats. Then you've got this, which always comes when you stay. It's like a little welcome to the Chester Grosvenor. So it's just like a little bit of everything that they offer. Welcome from the chef. So they're the different menus. So there's the La Brasserie. I'll probably pronounce that wrong. And the Arco. So this is more like Michelin, I think, kind of. They do the tasting menus and everything, and then this is more like but like you know, if you want your burgers, fish and chips, bit of everything. And then you've got your breakfast menu here, so you could have room service. So we had room service last time, but we will go down because we were mum, so we'll all go down together this time. So included in this is your continental. Or you can upgrade for £12 for a full English if you want to as well.
I think the continental were bang on last time.
I like the continental. I love the continental.
Yeah, big bed.
Gorgeous big bed.
I think I remember it was so comfy last
I
time.
love the curtains as well. They're really nice. So yeah.
So I'll do a little montage and then we'll go into another segment where we'll show the hotel and then to the
we're gonna go have a little drink,
bar and stuff like that.
Show them around because obviously she's never been before.
Cue the montage of the room. I know we've done this before, but that was last year.
Oh, you got your aircon as well.
And they've got quite good views, and people like to see hotels, don't they? So,
definitely.
And what do we pay for a room? This?
$2.19, I think.
Yeah. Yeah.
So yeah.
But it's worth it.
Yes, definitely. Nice little, and it's not every day turn 40, so it's for your birthday.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah.
Little birthday present.
So cue the montage, and we will continue the hotel tour.
Yeah. See you soon. Hi guys.
Yeah.
So we are just about to check out this beautiful hotel, aren't we?
Yeah.
But we just thought we'd, because we didn't really speak that much about the food, did we? So thought we'd just let you know about.
So last night we had two
course
courses
meal,
for $29.95.
Yeah,
was it?
yeah, and it was actually, I'd not obviously said this before, but because you didn't know where we were eating, but it was all included in the room rate.
Right.
So you don't mind if I say what I've paid, do you?
No.
No. This is Ali's birthday. So I paid $278, and that was for this room, and then we had continental breakfast, which was amazing, and then the 2-course meal last night, which I think is amazing, really.
So I had the
pig's
cheek,
something like that. It was like a pate.
Like a pate.
Yeah. And I had the butternut squash and carrot soup, which was lovely. And we had bread on the table as well.
And then for main, we had the lovely...
We all had the chicken.
Which was absolutely
That was
delightful.
honestly...
Portion size were just perfect.
You had like the chicken, little roast potato, cabbage, and honestly, best meal I've had so far this year.
And then this morning we had a continental breakfast.
Where they literally give you anything. So you choose tea or coffee or cappuccino, so you had cappuccino.
Yeah.
Mum had coffee, I had tea. Then you had choice of cereal, fruit salad, pastries, toast. You had everything, which was just amazing.
Yeah, and it went down a tree.
Yeah, gorgeous.
So yeah, it was just a little hotel room review at the Chestnut Grosvenor.
Yeah.
Probably still not said
One
that
of our
right,
favourites. This is our third stay here now, so we absolutely love
would
it. Would
100% recommend it if you come into Chester.
100%.
Or if you just want a little treat. It's just a nice cosy hotel and
just beautiful. And the staff can't do more for you. Like, they're just so lovely and attentive, and perfect. And parking, we parked in the Chester Grosvenor shopping complex, which then on the second floor you just walk straight into the hotel and go into the lift, and it takes you into the hotel. And that's £10 a night.
So definitely recommend it. For me, 10 out of 10 this hotel.
10 out of 10 for me as well.
So thank you for watching this little hotel and room review tour. We're not tour bloody guides, but we just wanted to put a video together for you because it went down well last time. So thank you for watching. Please like the video.
And we'll
subscribe
see you
if you're new
on the next one.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.